Hello everyone, what is up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to hack a game like Subway Surfers. All you guys want to do is actually head over to the source I have here and download it to your Cydia. After you guys do that, you guys just want to download iAppCrazy. And once you guys do that, you guys want to head over into iAppCrazy. Head over to where your switch is and make sure it is enabled for Subway Surfers. Alright, now what you guys want to do is just head over into Subway Surfers. Alright, once you guys are here, the first thing you guys want to do is, if you already haven't beat the tutorial, okay, there we go. Now once you guys do that, you guys want to head over to Home, Shop. Now you guys can actually buy anything you want in this game for free. Everything including the coins and the keys if you want them. There you guys have it. Now hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please remember to leave a like and subscribe to me. Anyways, peace out.